Hi everyone and welcome back here. In this video we need to learn what is object interaction mode. If you have nothing here in the 3D viewport, and if you go to open this list, as you see we have a small arrow here. That means we have a list. If you hit left click to open it, you will find nothing. But let's add a cube. Hit Shift A and let's go to mesh and let's add cube. Okay, now let's go to the object interaction mode and let's open it. As you see, we have a list. We have object mode. That's mean this mode is called object mode, and we have the edit mode, and we have sculpt mode, vertex, weight, and texture paint. So in this video I need to talk about the edit mode and the object mode. So let's get started. The edit mode, when you activate it, that means now you can control the vertex and the edges and the faces. Alright, here when we switched to edit mode, we have now three options: vertex, select, and edge select, and face select. If you want to use the shortcut to switch between those, you can hit number 1 for the vertex select, number 2 for the edge select, and the face number 3. So just keep that in your mind, number 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, now let's start with the vertex select. Just hit number 1 from the keyboard to activate it, and there we go. Now we have the vertices highlighted. Now you can manipulate the box and make any change you like here. Alright, the edit mode is like a factory. Here you can use cutter to cut, you can use welding to weld, you can add stuff. Inside edit mode you can create your car, you can change this cube from this shape, this simple shape, to complex shape. For example, car. You can change it like whatever thing you want to make. So the edit mode is like a factory. Inside it you can create stuff, change the simple stuff like cube, like cylinder, like sphere, to something complex. Just keep that in your mind. And here we have tools. We have extrude, and inside extrude we have multiple choices here. And we have this option inset, we have the bevel, we have loop cut, and we have a lot of options. We will use them all throughout the course. So let's start with the vertices. As I said, you can hit number 1 to activate the vertex mode. Now if you grab this vertex, let's activate the move tool. Or if you want to keep yourself in the select box, you can go to this option right here, sorry, this one, and activate the move tool. I mean, you don't need to go here and activate it. Alright, so now you can move. I'm sorry, I just forgot to deactivate the proportional editing. Just deactivate it, or you can hit O from the keyboard. Alright, now let's move this up. As you see, now I can move the vertex alone. Okay, I can grab those like this and move them down. As you see, now I made a change to the cube. I can grab those, for example, and push them like this. I have another shape here. Can grab this and push this up just a little bit, something like this. And you can do a lot of stuff. So now I'm controlling the vertices. Alright, let's switch to edge. If I grab edge, now I can move one edge like this. I can grab 2 edges, hold shift and grab 2 or 3 or 4, and you can move them as a face. As you see here, when I grab the first one, second one, the third one, and the last one here, the face is highlighted. That means now I can manipulate the whole face. As you see now, the face is highlighted. Now I can control it and move it and do whatever thing. Not just moving, I can scale it, hit S and scale it, hit R and rotate it. All of these stuff. Alright, let's jump to the face mode. You can grab this face, grab this. You can select more than one face, hold shift to grab this, and this, and this, etc. So inside the edit mode, I can control the vertices, the edges, and the faces as well. If you want to exit of the edit mode, you can go to the same list here and choose object mode, and that's it. Now you are out of the edit mode. You can hit tab to toggle between object mode and edit mode. Just hit tab, toggle between object and edit mode. Alright, so that will do it for this video. In the next videos, we will start creating simple objects by using the edit mode technique. So see you next.